Hey everybody, so welcome to our room tour. This is room 3602 on Freedom of the Seas. Hallway's a little tight, so you kind of have to squeeze on by. You have your safety briefing stuff here in case you have forgotten it. You have how to put on your life jacket, where you assemble, and of course your muster station, which is
all the essentials.
Ours is C18. So.
Yes, C18.
So you have that. You also have this to put on your cabin door. Now, for those that don't know, all cruise ships, all the walls are metal. So you put that there and it's just going to stay there. But this is, you know, basically your do not disturb for your room attendant for in the mornings and stuff.
Nice.
So put that there.
For those dangerous sea days.
So in here we have our closet. We already put some of our stuff in the safe. Let me go and close that real quick. We have plenty of hangers. I'm not quite sure what the ladder is for. It looks like maybe this might pull down into beds up above. Actually, I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So yeah. You have some life jackets there, all that stuff, some shelves, whatever. Pretty easy.
And if I can interject, please don't take the hangers with you.
Seriously, like,
you know, they're not yours. I know boats have a problem with that. It's a silly problem that they have, but don't take hangers with you.
Really?
You know, think of it. No more wooden hangers. Just to replace the whole movie thing with wire. You know, instead of wire, wooden. No more wooden hangers. Just saying.
All right, so the lights on this ship, you don't have to insert a card. You just pop them on or off.
It's awesome.
Right.
But it's kind of like horror flick movie-ish when you turn them on. So don't be surprised when they blink.
I don't really know
it's
what
an older
this is
ship.
for. Like I don't know.
That is where you keep the bars of soap that you have utilized.
On the outside of the bathroom.
I know, I'm kidding. I'm trying to come up with something.
So the light for the bathroom, so this is the bathroom here, is actually right there. So you have to turn it on from the outside.
From the outside. Don't go in
and then
do your business
I'll
without
let
turning the light on.
HK go in because there's not enough room in a bathroom for two people. Oh,
I
we're
got
going
the
to try
camera on
this?
the
Are we
outside.
going to try that?
Yep.
Okay. So we have the shower. This is a part of the glass. It's not wet. It is just like a bubble texture.
It does look like it's wet.
It does.
Like maybe they didn't clean it.
So standard shower. You have your shower head up here. But then one thing, I'm going to grab this from HK real quick. If you wanted to hang up your swimsuits, you have this.
Yeah.
And it goes along.
Little zip line.
And you put that. And you have that little thing, that little string there, where you can put your wet bathing suits and stuff. So
zip line for your britches.
yeah. Standard sink. I believe this pulls? Yeah, this. It has like a little shelf area in there, so you can keep the counter free of all the clutter. And pretty standard bathroom.
Yeah.
So we have the desk here, which also couples as a vanity. And I'm not really sure how to turn on. Oh, yes I am. There's the light for that, so you can ladies can do their makeup, and you have ample
guys can dance in the mirror.
All right, so I guess you have like just this little chair, which is kind of cute. I kind of wish that there was like a couch in here, but there's not room for that, so it is what it is. Then on to this is the bed. One thing that I noticed.
I'm not sure where the curtains are in case unless somebody wants to sit in the seat alone. Like I don't.
There's only 2 outlets in this room, and this is an older ship, so there's no USB ports, or so I thought. There is one USB port, and it is actually on the side of the phone. So that is just handy information to have. So you can at least charge one phone that way, and then you have the other plugs. And then we do have a porthole window.
I know. It feels like an old pirate ship.
It really does.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah, we're pretty down there. I wish.
We saw them coming by to clean it earlier, and we thought we were moving already. We're like, we missailed away, and we didn't.
I do wish that the bed was faced the opposite direction, so that way you could just walk.
I know.
Over to the window
walk over and look out.
And look out.
Agreed.
I don't really care for the porthole to be like right above your heads.
Yeah, I agree with that. That's good feedback from them, mid.
Yeah, I think it would work better the other way. So
I agree.
You could just walk over there and see, and then you could use that little counter space back there. So.
Yeah, that would be super cool. That's a great idea.
One other thing that's kind of cool, I haven't seen this on any other of the room tours, is you see where the bed is and the TV, but the TV does pull out,
Yeah.
and you can do that. So,
It's a small TV, but you don't, let's be real, you don't sit in here and watch much of anything on TVs when you're on a cruise. That's You didn't come to watch TV.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then the last part, again, this is for the ladies. There is a full, well, I mean, it's for anybody, but there's a full-length mirror right here.
Yeah.
So.
Right here.
Mm-hmm. And that's what HK looks like.
I do. With that, minus the phone.
Minus the phone.
Right now, I look like the bad superhero on Batman. Bane. Yeah, it's a phone though.
So that's really it. You have that little nugget there. So if you do have another room, if you are coupled with a cabin maybe next door or something like that, the room steward has the key and they will come and unlock this, and then you can do that. This room also has, that's what those ladders were for. These pull out into other beds, so this room could technically sleep 4.
Oh,
It is.
I forgot about that.
It is
Good
really
call-out.
only big enough for 2 people, but I mean, if a family really wanted to make it work, they could absolutely make it work, especially with young kids.
That's why you need a travel agent, because she looks at all that stuff.
I do look at all that.
She does. I didn't even notice that.
Make sure to like and subscribe all of our videos, and of course, if you need to go on a trip, or if you would like to book this ship, go ahead and give me a call. My information is linked below. Absolutely. And then, of course, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of any of the content that we're posting.
Absolutely. More to come, travelers.